So let's marry that with a vocal and just see where they're both hitting and make sure that we've got space for them as well. Just going to bring the clap in for reference. Nice. Right, I'm just going to work on the arrangement and just get a feel for where this track's going, and then we can look at some other elements as well, like the bass. As I said earlier as well, usually when I make music, I just try and just flow as many creative ideas out and onto Logic, and then go through a process of refining afterwards, rather than overthinking or working too much on one specific thing. I like to kind of dip into everything as I go along, and then hopefully by the end of this, we'll have a really good track there.